Welcome to Grammar Chicken. In English, there are 7 sentence patterns. Or 7 ways to arrange words in a sentence. These patterns are very important in English because in English, how we arrange words in a sentence gives those words meaning. In some languages, the order of words does not matter because they add letters to words to tell the reader that a certain word, for example, is a subject rather than an adjective. For example, if we took the sentence, "The chicken chased the pig," we understand that the chicken is doing the action. The chicken is the subject, and it is chasing the pig. If we switched it around and we said, "The pig chased the chicken," we would have a sentence that has a completely different meaning and understanding. How we place the words in the sentence gives those words meaning. In some languages, though, they might add letters. Let's say the letters RT to a word. When they do that, they would automatically know that this was the thing being chased, not the chicken. And so they could read the sentence, "The piggert chased the chicken," and understand that the chicken was actually the one doing the action because of these extra letters. But in English, that's not the case. In English, we have sentence patterns. The 7 sentence patterns are SVI, which stands for subject and intransitive verb, SVTDO, which stands for subject, transitive verb, followed by a direct object. Patterns 3 and 4 are quite similar. SVL, PN, and SVL, PA. That stands for subject, linking verb, predicate noun, or predicate adjective. Pattern 5 is SVT, IODO, which stands for subject, transitive verb, indirect object, followed by the direct object. The final 2 patterns are very similar. SVT, DO, OCN, and SVT, DO, OCA. And these stand for subject, transitive verb, followed by a direct object, followed by the object complement noun, and the object complement adjective. If this is the first time you have seen these sentence patterns, they may seem a little overwhelming. Amazingly, though, you have probably used every one of these patterns in your everyday speaking and reading. The 7 patterns give us one more way to discover both the organization and the variety that's already there in the English language. One of the most fun ways to learn these patterns is to sing them to the tune of 3 Blind Mice.